What's up, guys? My name's Art Lee, and today I'm here to tell you guys about the Nco Txog contest that we're having. So the rules are that we are...
Bro, what are you doing?
I'm telling about the contest.
No, we were gonna do that.
Oh.
We're just about to do it.
Oh. Dude, you just mad because I'm mad Lee.
It's stupid. What's he doing? Why was he trying to make the video?
Who?
That was
Who?
us. Matt.
I didn't even see nothing. I wasn't even here.
He was like, oh, this Art Lee. I'm Art Lee.
I didn't even see nothing.
Bro, alright, turn on the camera. Yo, what's good? It's TNT.
What's up, guys? It's Jerk.
Yeah, so this video is for the Nco Txog contest that we're doing. And,
This is, we're gonna tell you guys the rules and, the gift, the prize.
prizes.
Yeah.
Alright, so the basic rules, you know, we have the instrumental on YouTube channel, so just look for it. Nco Txog instrumental.
TSM.
Yeah, so you can cover it or you can remix it, your own lyrics, whatever's cool.
You can upload it to YouTube if you like.
But we prefer Facebook.
Prefer
Just
Facebook,
tag us.
just to tag us.
Yeah.
And we're gonna judge by the vocals. It doesn't matter if you do like a studio or a video. You know, we're gonna judge. It's all gonna be judged by vocals.
Yeah.
So.
Alright, the winners. We're gonna have two winners. The second place just gets the TNT album.
Y'all
And then the first first place winner gets a TNT album and a collab with us for our next album. Alright, so the deadlines. We're gonna end this contest on August 31st. And we're gonna announce the winners on Labor Day. Which is the 5th. Alright, are we done here?
Alright. Sorry for the late notice. We did say we was gonna do a video, but I guess we was busy, so we didn't get a chance to do a video. But we're looking forward to see what you guys got, doing covers and remixes or whatever. And we just want to say thank you to all the fans and supporters who show loves. I can't talk. So,
yeah, we just want to say thank you. We appreciate it. You're smart. You're loyal. I appreciate you. Pong and David, real bad. Pong and David, this Okay, so